So guys, we are back with cooking, and yeah, just imagine you come home from a nice party, midnight, and you have a little bit hunger. Your stomach is saying, ho fame. And this is then the time to do spaghetti al peperoncino. So let's see the ingredients. Pasta, I'm using always a little bit that thicker pasta. Peperoncino, garlic, burro, butter, parmigiano, oil, salt and pepper. Let's do it. So let's cut the garlic here. Nice. Yeah, by the way, today Amy is recording. She's full of power. Always. So let's take 2 garlics here, fresh garlic. I'm taking the white one here. Yeah, you can take as well a different one. That's up to you. So with the white one, it's a little bit soft, and with the I think red one or brown one is a little bit. Oh, black. Yeah, sorry. With the black one is much more intense. Amy's always correcting me. Please cut it to the half and cut out the heart here. So let's cut the garlic very thin. I'm not a professional cutter, you know, like a cook. But this is, you know, small pieces. I'm cutting like this. You can do it different as you like. This is somehow the best way for me how it works. In the meantime, fill up the pan with water. Let's a little bit start with boiling and
salt.
Yes, sure. Do you know that I love you? I missed salt, yes, and salt. Salt, always. Don't forget that. And fill up here with enough oil. Just use really good oil, because this will be then the sauce, the one. Perfect. Rumo, best pasta in the world, Molisana as well. Yeah, so like this, Rumo. 11 minutes. Amy, are you hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Usually it's 100 grams per person, something like this. Me and Danny eating a little bit more. So let's bring around 200 grams in, and let's enjoy this Aglio Olio Peperoncino. 11 minutes. Turn always around the pasta, very important. Meantime, bring the oil to temperature. Here. That one here. So the oil is on temperature. Let's bring in the garlic and the peperoncino. And if you like, really, you can have a little bit of butter in. This is Nonna Carmelina's recipient. Un po' di burro dà un po' di sapore. I like this as well. Gives a little bit of taste. I like to have a little bit the garlic a little bit crispy. Let's see if I can do that one. For this you need as well a little bit of water from the pasta. Just bring a little bit in. A little sauce here. Pasta is ready. Let's bring that out. And then in this lovely pan here, let's turn this around. Bring as well a little bit of water in from the pasta. Now as well, if you like a little bit of burro, butter. Let's turn it. Let's prepare the plates. Aglio Olio, Peperoncino. Up everything. You can see the pasta is a little bit thicker. That's nice. That's very good. Amy, do you like the same amount? Yes. Good. So if you like as well a little bit of Parmigiano on the top, tastes always good. Can bring it in. Cool. Pasta, aglio, olio e peperoncino. Hope you like it, and yeah, catch you in the next video.